Hi guys! We are back! We are back! Normal na dinner lang sana to. Well, normal naman to. Pero, ito talaga yung plano naming ulam. And then, nag-text si Dan kanina, sabi niya, we can do a Q&A if you like. Actually, before siya nag-text, naisip ko na may mga assumptions pa kami. Like, yung assumptions niyo about us na sobrang tagal ko nang tinanong sa inyo pero hindi namin nagawa. I did the assumptions about me video, which I will leave sa I button if interesado kayo. But we haven't done the reacting to assumptions about us.
Okay.
So, we are doing Korean barbecue again. Put it on 3, please. So, we have beef. Now, nasabi ko sa vlog ko na meron kaming pork. Hindi pala yun sliced pork. Ano
Did you put
pala
sauce
yun?
in this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano pala yun? Minced pork. Why?
There's not a lot of sauce.
It's enough.
Okay.
Meron tayong lettuce dito. Meron din akong rice. And then, kimchi. And ito, masarap kasi to, roasted squid. Yum! And yung drink namin, binili to ni Dan kanina sa Asian shop. Kalpiko soda na melon flavor. Luto lang muna tayo, guys. Para makakain tayo.
Cooking quick.
Yeah. So, itong meat natin, meron siyang bulgogi sauce, guys. Sarap siya. Ayusin ko lang to, seryosoin ko lang to. Okay, while waiting, basa-basa muna tayo.
When did you ask your assumptions about us?
Long time ago.
Okay.
Look, way before Japan.
Wow.
Yeah. After US, before Japan. Nakuha ko siya kasi nag-screenshot ako kasi nga gagawin sana namin kaya lang hindi kami talaga nagka-time na gawin siya hanggang sa nakalimutan na lang namin siya. From Nicolawi, under Sedan.
You're above me?
Yeah.
True.
No. Do you understand what it is? Like I'm the dominant one, I think. That's the term they use in the Philippines.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So do we say if it's true or not?
That's the assumption.
Okay.
Nah.
Sometimes you're the boss.
Okay.
Sometimes
And sometimes you're the boss.
I'm the boss.
Yeah, most of the time we're equal. From Floris C.A.N. Hindi nag-aaway, that we don't fight at all.
We fight.
Yes, we do, pero hindi lagi. Hindi talaga lagi. From Lizette0704, perfect couple.
No such thing. No such thing as a perfect couple. We'll have our problems.
From JRYN-AAA, napakaswerte niyo sa isa't isa. You're so lucky to have each other.
True. We are lucky.
Yeah. Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya na you're so lucky you have me.
Yeah.
Hindi, swerte naman talaga kami, right?
Yeah.
Like, sa dami-dami ng tao sa mundo, ha? Just imagine, like, there's like billions of people in the world and then the universe chose to like put us together and now we're here.
Exactly.
Yeah. From XAXA Pags, Dan looks very serious, like he's someone who doesn't know how to joke.
True. I know how to joke. I know how to be
Marunong
serious.
siya mag-joke na seryoso yung mukha niya, ganun. Like, you joke around and you put on this poker face so nobody knows that you're actually like just kidding around. From Patia G. Carla, you have plans to settle in the Philippines?
No.
Nah.
No.
Not yet. Nah.
Probably never. Probably.
Yeah. Because sa ngayon yung plano namin kapag tumanda na kami sa ngayon ha, like plano namin, pag tumanda na kami, like dito pa din kami pero magsistay kami longer sa Philippines. Like ngayon, we stay sa maximum 2-3 weeks. Siguro kapag matanda na kami, wala na kaming trabaho, mga 1 buwan, 2 buwan, 3 buwan, siguro a year. From BM Yambao, never po ba tumingin si Kuya Dan sa ibang babae? Did you ever look at other girls?
Yes.
Did you ever look at other girls? Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Okay lang naman sa akin tumingin siya. Uy, tingin lang naman.
I'm not blind. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, true. And that's fine. Sometimes when I see like a fancy one, I tell him, look at him there.
And I'm already looking.
Pero nakatingin na, una na pala siya sa akin. Okay lang naman tumingin. Para namang hindi ito nag-ano. I think we need more oil. Hindi pa tayo kumakain.
Maybe not on. My side's alright actually. This one, my side's looking good. Maybe, no, I mean like more oil. More oil.
On yours?
Yeah, like up there. I reckon my meat though is doing alright.
Yeah?
Yeah, I reckon I'm good to eat.
Kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo?
Kain tayo.
I have lettuce, my love.
Yeah.
Agay, kainit sa ani, baby.
Healthy option. Lettuce and meat.
He went for a run tonight as well. So kahapon then he went for a run.
We've got, I don't know, what, 4 months until we're in the...
Boracay?
You're in Philippines in 4 months, pretty much. You leave on the 14th. Today's the 13th of August. So you're 4 months from tomorrow, you're in the Philippines.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good.
This tastes really good at lettuce.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Inano ko siya. Tinanggal ko na siya, tapos sinugasan ko siya ng bongga kasi may mga lupa-lupa eh.
I was thinking, you know how we go Cebu, Boracay, and then back to Cebu?
Yep.
Then we head up home.
Yep.
I was thinking maybe we should book somewhere for like an overnight stay, and your brothers or something can stay with us.
Okay. Where?
I don't know, somewhere in the pool, somewhere fun. And we just hang out there.
Yeah, that is good. Ano lettuce ba to? Sarap nga.
You can have lettuce as well, but there's shitload of lettuce here.
Yeah.
I think it's too much lettuce for me to eat.
That's good.
I know. I like the chukka rice. The lettuce gives it like really good texture, doesn't it?
It does. It's really good. From Sarah Libon. I feel like you don't want to have a baby yet.
Ah! Wrong.
That's a wrong assumption.
We do want to have a baby. One day.
One day, one day, one day. From Gian.Margaret. Very kind and very emotional. For Dan, very supportive and kind husband.
True. I'm a kind husband and you're very emotional.
You are very supportive as well.
I am.
Napapansin ko, lalo na ngayon, sobrang supportive din niya sa aking vlogging career. Well, you've been like supportive, but now, like, you show up on vlogs more and like, you cooperate more like now. Like the Q&As.
I like the Q&As.
He talks more. Alam mo yun? We will do this again. So if you guys have like, you know, deep questions, spicy questions, beefy, just kidding. If you have any questions at all that you want us to answer in our next mukbang Q&A, please leave it below with #AskDan. If you want like a brutally honest advice, leave it below with the #AskDan and we will do it in our next mukbang Q&A.
And do like 10 questions in like 10 seconds. So I've got to give like shotgun responses without even thinking.
Yeah, fast talk.
But
I'll do it to you.
But not all of them, just some of them. But
Yeah.
just do some fast talk.
Sige. Gagawin ko yung fast talk sa kanya. Sige nga. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung fast talk ko. So you guys leave that. Oh, that's a good idea, babe. Yeah. Yeah, sige.
I won't be very good at that. I'm not a quick thinker.
Yeah, but it's not like a quiz. You're basically just choosing one from the other.
Oh no, I'm not thinking of like, they could ask you a question like, what's your favourite colour? What's your favourite day?
No.
How many girlfriends you got? What's your favourite team?
No, it's not that. It's like
red, blue, port, 7, 8. Seriously, that's what it could be.
No, it's not that. It's like pros or port.
That's easy.
I know. It's like red or blue.
You can do it that way as well.
Yeah. Well, I think fast talk is like that. It's not like questions and then you answer. I think you choose from 2.
Okay.
Yeah. Diba? Ganyan naman ang fast talk. Lights on, lights off.
Oh. Too bright.
Tagal naman, babe.
Too bright.
It took you so long to answer.
That's fine.
Me or chocolate?
You.
Fast talk, Dani. Tahimik muna tayo, babe.
Is that it?
Kain muna tayo, babe. Do you wanna try the squid
Not really.
in the here? Look.
Nah.
No?
No, I like the beef.
Yeah, beef is good.
Good.
Mark good. From Amber Korong _E. Classy but humble type of couple.
Well, no, I wouldn't describe us as classy. No way.
Hindi kami klase, uy.
No.
Like, iba naman yung tao magde-decide, uy, kung humble ka ba.
I wouldn't say we're humble because we don't have a lot to boast either.
Yeah.
So, let's just say we're normal. Just normal people. Just hard-working people. Hard-working, honest people. That's how I describe us.
From Vanessa _Magbanwa, you will get divorced.
There you go. Who knows?
Maghihiwalay. Malay mo!
Is she a basher?
No, she's not a basher. It's just an assumption.
We won't get divorced. It's too expensive. We won't get divorced. I don't want to see you happy.
Aww, poor me.
Yes. Loving, caring husband and bossy and in charge all the time wife. No. Nah.
Sometimes nagiging bossy ako. Pero sometimes nagiging bossy ka.
You can be bossy.
Yeah, but you can be bossy as well. You tell me what to do. I tell you what to do sometimes. That's just how it works. I'm not like in charge all the time. Kasi kung in charge ako all the time, I don't think like ganito yung magiging buhay natin. Like mature decisions, you're really good at, and like I can say that 90% of the time you know what you're doing and you know what you're talking about. Minsan kapag nagsasalita si Dan, tapos may mga plano ba, nakatingin lang ako sa kanya, tapos sabi, talino mo, in fairness sa'yo.
What's that?
Sometimes when you're like talking about the future and talking about like finances and ish like that, I just look at you and I'm like, you're smart, babe.
You got a plan.
Yeah.
If you don't plan, you plan to plan. What is that? Plan to fail? Those who don't plan to fail. That's just how it goes.
Those who don't plan to fail.
Those that don't plan to fail.
Those that don't plan to fail.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
Are you
that's okay.
struggling, babe? Here.
He's not doesn't want to flip. A little corner.
Lay _Austria. Very clingy off cam.
No.
What's clingy to you?
Someone that has to be around the other person all the time.
Ah, okay. No, not at all.
Also, okay, when we go to your friend's house,
Yeah.
do I hang around you?
No.
There you go.
You hang around with the boys.
That's right.
You will be good parents of intelligent kids.
Hope so. We don't want stupid kids. We spoke about this. We want our kids to be clever. We're not just clever in school, clever in life. So, no,
They can be clever in school as well.
nothing wrong with clever in school, but also clever in life.
Yeah. Kasi that's the reality of it, life. Not really like, no matter how good you are in school, if you're not good at life in general, then yeah. Wala din, di ba? Spicy!
I don't want to try that. No.
From Carbo 92393, I thought you've been married for 10 years.
Huh.
Bakit matanda mo ba kayo?
2 years and 2.5 years.
Yeah.
2.5 years.
Going strong! From Wonder Shake 1, the missus is always right. Not always.
Not always.
Ha? From Cookie Gram 25, not consistent in his diet.
True. Can you tell?
From Katmi Kaelia, Dan wants to have a baby but you don't want to yet.
Not true. We both want to have a baby.
This is not like bad food, babe. You're eating lettuce with beef.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah. You have a healthy relationship, like no one is the boss.
They love those boss questions, don't they?
No.
Yeah, I love those boss questions.
You have a large age gap.
No, 8 years.
8 years. It's not.
Not that bad.
Your relationship is very easy.
Yeah,
It is.
it is.
Because we don't make it hard. Like, you know, hindi kasi kami masyado nag-aaway. So, yeah, it's easy. Kuya Dan loves lechon.
No,
You don't love lechon?
I don't love it. I'll eat it, but I don't love it. If I never eat it again, I wouldn't care.
Really?
Really?
I love lechon.
Yeah.
Namimiss ko na.
Yeah, no, not. So I wouldn't say love. I like it, but not love it.
Blessed and thankful with what you have.
Yeah.
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 We are very grateful. Si Dan kasi, hindi kasi siya sana walang ma-offend na mga religyoso dyan na. Hindi siya like, oh, we're blessed. Parang, naisip niya, the reason why we have all this is because we work hard, not because, like, we pray hard. Alam mo yun? You know, nire-respeto ko naman. Okay lang naman kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao, sa dami ng tao sa mundo, hindi naman lahat kapareho mo na, like, same yung pinaniniwalaan nyo. Alam mo yun? So, okay lang sa akin. Pero, yeah, para sa akin, napaka-blessed namin. And we are very grateful. Kaya nga minsan kapag may mga nangyari hindi kaaya-aya sa buhay ko, parang naisip ko, wala akong karapatang malungkot. Though nalulungkot pa rin ako kasi of course, diba, tao lang din naman ako. Pero naisip ko, wala akong karapatang malungkot kasi sobrang binibless niya ako. You're grumpy.
I can be.
Yeah.
If I'm tired.
Pero si Dan, he's so good at it. You're so good at it. Like, you can be more grumpy, but you're not. Ang galing niya mag-handle ng stress. Sobra. Saludo ako sa iyo, babe. You're really good at handling stress, babe. Remember that day when I reached 600K? When you had that big problem at work? You handled that really, really well. If I was like in the same situation, I would be like grumpy at you. You were not grumpy at me. Kasi yung nangyari sa kanya, very, very stressful and malaking pera yung involved. Pero si Dan, chill lang siya. No, you were not chill, but you were not grumpy at me.
Yeah, I wasn't chill.
Yeah, because if I were in your shoes, I would be grumpy at everyone. Lahat siguro nung matitingnan ko ng mata ko, grumpy ako. But no, he was so good. Sa akin, sobrang bait niya. You're more sweet off camera.
I am.
Yeah, of course we are. Hindi naman kasi nakikita ng camera lahat. And ayaw naman namin like camera, mag-switch tayo kasi may camera. But yeah, of course we are. Perfect match because you both appreciate each other and you care for each other. Sinasabi niya sa akin lagi na I appreciate this, I appreciate that, I appreciate that you clean the house, I appreciate that you cook for me.
I reckon most couples appreciate the other person.
Yeah, but I don't like say it. You say it.
The house is always clean. I love it. Very clean house.
Yeah. Yeah, it's always clean.
Very clean house. That's good. I like it. Yes, I do.
Very clean house, Jude. Over a very clean house. You married a foreigner to be in Australia, but eventually you just fell in love.
Well, you had an American visa. You could have always lived in America.
That's right.
That's right.
From RG, love. You're rich.
No.
Kuya Dan is rich.
I wish. But no.
Is Dan an engineer?
No.
Because he looks like one.
Not that smart.
You're smart.
Engineers in Australia are very smart.
From MJ Christine. Comfy life, both hardworking.
True.
Yeah, that's true. We have a comfortable life. From Camila Feyros. Mayaman, rich.
No. No rich.
No, we're not rich. From Gwyneth01, protective. You are very protective of me. Kapag nagpupunta kami sa public toilet, he will always say, make sure it's safe, scream if you need me, or something like that, because it's not, yeah. And then when we went to watch the movie, you didn't want me to go alone, because you said it's not safe in the parking lot. You want me to go with Kai. So he is really safe. I mean, he is really protective. Why? You don't think you're protective?
Oh, no, I am.
Yeah. From Kimberly, I thought Dan was a snob.
I can be. Depends what sort of mood I am.
You two look really happy. Looks like you don't have problems. And you're rich. Oh, that is a director or executive level already.
I wish, nah. I'm the director of the house.
Oh, you guys are very rich.
No.
You're rich or super well off. There's so many rich comments.
I wish. So the comments are either rich, bossy.
I am more of a tight ass than you. That's an assumption.
Probably true.
I am more of a tight ass?
Probably.
Why do you think I am?
I don't spend a lot of money, but when I do, I'll buy something.
True. But why do you think I am a tight ass? Like, before I buy something, I think it through over and over and over again. Pero, I notice that when Dan is around, I get to buy expensive stuff. Yeah, na-notice nyo guys, kapag wala si Dan, hindi ako nakakabili ng mga mahal. When I went to the Philippines, I didn't buy anything expensive at all.
For you?
For me, yeah. I spent a lot of money, but it's for family. Like, naubos yung budget ko, even more than my budget. But that was for family. I didn't buy anything for myself at all. In Japan, I did because you were around.
What did you buy?
The Marc Jacobs bag. You made me buy that. And the Louis Vuitton bag.
Yeah.
You were like, just get it, Raz. You will not find anything like that in Australia or stuff. In Perth as well, when I got the Gucci, you were like, just get it. And when he said just get it, I was like, okay, I'll get it.
I look at it as, is that money spent going to make a difference? No, it's not. Then okay, just buy it.
Yeah, and then the Louis Vuitton bag. You pushed that one. You did. You pushed that one.
Yeah, because you always look at bags, so you might as well just buy a bag.
Yeah, in the US, because I was like, yep, it didn't work, so it's not for me. Like, you know, she put the card to a different account, so I was like, nah, it's not for me. And then he transferred money and got it for me. So, if I'm alone, I don't get to buy anything. Like, napapansin ko lang. Pero kapag nandyan si Dan, so yeah, maybe it's true. Simple. Yeah, we're very simple.
Yeah, very simple. Very simply.
From Rwanda_Ibiza, Dan, had you resigned from work so you get pregnant?
Partly true. Probably
yeah,
true.
partly true. Most of the time, people think you're father and daughter.
That has happened once. That has happened once. Do I look that old?
It's hard to kiss Dan because of his height. It's not hard to kiss you. You just lean down like this.
Yeah.
Oh, this was before Japan because they're like, baby number 1 will be made in Japan. Wow, tagal na nito guys. Oh, I'm just after you for your money.
I'm after you for your money?
Me.
I'm after you for your money?
I am after you for your money.
Have you got it?
Because you're the white one.
I'm the white one.
You're the white man.
White rich man, yeah.
I'm digging your gold.
Let me know when you find it.
Danny Boy will have his own channel.
I want to. I might do a video one day.
Tignan mo to siya. You want to vlog?
No, I don't want to vlog. No, I don't want to vlog.
What video do you want to put up on your channel?
I've got no idea. But one day. One day.
What's going to be your first video?
Maybe when we have kids. Me playing with the kids.
Aww.
I can look back at that when they're young. And
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice, babe. From Cyril Malig, well organized in your daily lives.
Yeah, very.
Yeah, we are very organized.
Very organized.
You two don't fight too much because I think you're both rational and understanding.
I'm rational and understanding.
How about me?
You're rational most of the time. Not all the time.
So am I understanding or what?
Eventually, once you calm yourself down. True?
Yeah.
When you get a bit crazy.
Like when you piss me off, like I'm pissed off. You know? Like when you piss me off, of course I'm not gonna be like, you piss me off now and then I'll be fine a minute later. That's not how it works. Like you piss me off and then give me 20 minutes.
This is like our marriage counselling when we do this Q&A stuff. It's like a good time to talk about stuff. It is. It very much is.
I do not know how to translate it in English properly, but it's basically saying you love your husband way too much and he doesn't
love you back?
Yeah, something like that. Or like I love you more than you love me.
What's that movie you saw on the weekend?
I don't love you.
I don't love you.
Sinabi ko sa kanya.
You just got your title of the video.
I don't love you,
I don't love you.
Say, I don't love you, eh?
Don't love you, eh? What does that mean?
Again?
I don't love you, eh?
It means like I don't love you, but in the movie it means that I like you, I love you, you know?
Well, and you said that guy was a better actor than Daniel Padilla, didn't you?
I didn't say that! I didn't say that. We dropped it.
Better couple, they looked more compatible.
I didn't say that.
Okay.
You're lying.
Okay.
Grabe siya. Ay, no, sabi ko sa kanya, nung may mga sweet scenes sila, all I was thinking was like, oh, Daniel, si Daniel. Paano na si Daniel? Okay.
Okay, you're flashing, your battery's about to go flat, so.
Yes, that is it for this mukbang Q&A. Again, if you have like deep, spicy, beefy questions that you wanna ask Danny Boy for our next Q&A, please leave it below.
We'll do that in 3 weeks' time.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do the fast talk as well, guys.
That's all part of the same Q&A, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
Cool.
Is that okay with you?
Definitely.
It's like all yours. They
Yeah.
don't care about what I say.
No, we do it together.
Oh yeah, we'll do it together. But I'll do the questioning, or you, I don't know. Who knows what will happen?
We'll see.
But yeah. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video when I enjoy you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys bukas. Be good. Bye. Mwah.